Today, the topic of my speech is the future depends on what you do today. The actions we take today, are the foundations of our future. We create our own future. We are the architects of our own life. Therefore, in order to live the life we have imagined, there is something we need to remember, that our future starts today. The best way to predict your future is to create it. The reality is that none of us know that how our future is going to look like. But the actions we take in our present give us an idea that how our future could be. It is simple as that. What we do today or what we cease today has a consequence in our own life. Therefore, it depends on us to create today what we want to experience tomorrow. Normally we get surprised when the life punches us at our face about the truth of life. The life has gone far away quickly, and our reality is far from being what we have dreamed for. That's the time we ask ourselves, what have I done? How can I be in this situation? My dear friend, you have been very busy doing something else rather than being focused on the dream you wished for. The past, the present, and the future are one. They are today. The future is in our hand, the past is in our head, and the future is in our hand. Thank you.